Welcome to Med Guide. Today in this video I am going to tell you about how to use garlic against stress and toxins for a better mood. Garlic is a hardy plant that grows all over the world and has a very long history of use as a food and as a medicine. Garlic has been used medicinally since at least ancient Egypt. It has been used to treat high blood pressure, high blood lipids, diabetes, vaginal infections, stomach infections with H. pylori, as well as various skin infections. It is also used to increase the circulation of blood and may be useful to increase circulation to various organs, such as the kidney and liver. In general, garlic is considered very safe as a food and as a supplement, even for long-term use. Method 1. Make garlic tea with honey. Making garlic tea is a simple way to use garlic medicinally. Place 3 whole, peeled cloves of garlic into a saucepan with 3 cups, 710 milliliters, of water. Bring to a boil and then turn off the heat. Add 1/2 cup, 118 milliliters, honey and 1/2 cup, 118 milliliters, freshly squeezed lemon juice. Mix, drink half, and refrigerate the extra tea. Sip the tea 3 times a day. Method 2. Make garlic tea with ginger and lemon. Garlic tea is widely used in Mexico and Spain to treat colds and coughs. If you have a cold or upper respiratory infection, drink the tea 4 times a day for 7 days. Place 5 peeled and crushed cloves of garlic into a saucepan with 4 cups, 1 quart about 1 liter, of water. Bring to a boil and then turn off the heat. Add the juice of 1 freshly squeezed lemon and 1 teaspoon of raw grated ginger. Place back on the heat and simmer at low heat for 20 minutes, then strain the mixture. Refrigerate the extra tea. When you want more, warm up 1/2 cup, 118 milliliters, at a time and sip it 4 times a day. Method 3. Make garlic and saffron tea. Saffron is used in traditional Persian Iranian medicine to treat depression and lift the mood. Place 3 whole, peeled cloves of garlic into a saucepan with 3 cups, 710 milliliters, of water. Bring to a boil and then turn off the heat. Add 1 teaspoon of saffron. Saffron has to be hand-picked so it can be expensive. Fresh saffron is best, but choose the dried saffron over the powdered saffron. Saffron can cause uterine contractions, so pregnant women should not use saffron except under the advisement of a physician. Add 1/2 cup, 118 milliliters, honey, then mix and refrigerate extra tea. To drink the extra tea, warm up 1/2 cup, 118 milliliters, at a time and sip it 3 times a day. Method 4. Take dried garlic as a supplement. No standards have been developed for children, but to treat a type of high blood lipid disorder, 300 milligrams of dehydrated garlic powder 3 times a day was safely taken by children. 2 to 7 grams of aged garlic extracts should be taken daily in divided doses. An example of this is the product Kyolic. Aged garlic contains some allicin, the active component of garlic, but not as much as other products. This is why you need to take much more of it. Dried garlic powder, such as quinine garlicin, has not been well standardized and does not contain a great deal of allicin, though some may be produced after digestion. Most of the clinical studies have been done using quinine with dosages ranging from 600 to 1,200 milligrams daily in divided doses. Allicin powdered extract, such as Alisher, Alimax, Aliforce and Alici, are powdered extracts that contain significant amounts of allicin in a standardized form. Because of this standardization and the higher amounts of allicin in these products, you don't have to take much to get the benefits. Take 6 to 10 milligrams daily. 6 to 900 milligrams of garlic tablets or capsules should be taken daily in divided doses. These are generally the best choice for most people, as they provide a standardized or known amount of the active ingredient, allicin. Method 5. Take a garlic tincture. 2 to 4 milliliters of tincture, extracts and alcohol, should be taken daily. Tinctures will only contain a small amount of allicin but can be a good alternative for those that don't like garlic in their food. Do not use tinctures if you are in recovery from alcoholism. Tinctures use 95% alcohol to extract herbs. Garlic oil does not contain allicin because of the processing necessary to produce the oil. Some products may indicate on the label an allicin potential or allicin yield. This is an attempt to standardize, but studies have indicated that this value is not exact or stable. Try to take garlic, hopefully you'll find great results. Thanks for watching. Keep watching and subscribe my guide for more videos.